Space is cold, Earth is not, at least most of it isn't. Yet even here on our temperate world we often find ourselves seeking warmth. Enter the halogen heater, a popular choice for a quick and portable heat source. But is this radiant glow all it's cracked up to be? Like many wonders of the cosmos, halogen heaters come with their own set of benefits and risks. Let's embark on a journey to uncover the truth about these devices, exploring their potential impact on our health and well-being. We'll delve into the science behind their operation and examine the claims made about their safety and efficiency. By the end of this exploration, you'll be equipped with the knowledge to make informed decisions about using halogen heaters in your own corner of the universe. Hey, support us by subscribing to the channel. Let's jump into topic. Halogen heaters, while effective at providing warmth, can impact indoor air quality. They work by heating up a filament, which then radiates heat into the surrounding space. This process can dry out the air, potentially exacerbating respiratory issues for some individuals. The intense heat and light emitted can also cause eye irritation and headaches, particularly with prolonged exposure. It's important to avoid looking directly at the glowing element, and to take breaks from using the heater in enclosed spaces. Additionally, the dry heat can lead to skin dryness and irritation. Using a humidifier and applying moisturizer can help mitigate these effects. It's crucial to be mindful of the burn risks associated with halogen heaters. The exposed heating element can reach extremely high temperatures, posing a significant danger if touched. This risk is amplified for young children and pets who may not understand the danger and could be accidentally burned. Always keep a safe distance from the heater while it is in use and never leave it unattended. Despite these concerns, halogen heaters offer several advantages. They provide almost instantaneous heat, making them a convenient choice for quickly warming up a small space. Unlike traditional heaters that require time to heat up an entire room, halogen heaters deliver focused warmth directly where you need it. This targeted heating method can be more energy efficient, especially when used for short periods in a well-insulated area. Their compact size and portability make them easy to move from room to room, providing warmth wherever it's needed. Additionally, halogen heaters operate silently, eliminating the distracting hum or clicking noises often associated with other heating appliances. Finally, halogen heaters are generally more affordable than other types of space heaters, making them an attractive option for those on a budget. Their low upfront cost and potential energy savings make them a tempting choice for many consumers. Like any tool, halogen heaters have their place in the universe, but responsible use is key. While concerns about their potential health and safety risks are valid, these risks can be minimized with proper precautions. Always use halogen heaters in well-ventilated areas to prevent the buildup of dry air. Avoid prolonged exposure to the heat and light, taking breaks to prevent eye strain and skin dryness. Most importantly, prioritize safety, especially around children and pets, by keeping the heater out of reach and never leaving it unattended. By understanding both the benefits and risks associated with halogen heaters, we can make informed decisions about their use. Ultimately, the choice is yours. What do you think? Have you experienced any health issues using a halogen heater? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content like this.